Hey! What is good? How y'all doing, man? Y'all caught me out doing a little work. That's all, graphic design. That's basically what I do. I am V. I am V, your host for today. And today we're going to talk about something different. We're going to talk about something that we don't really touch on too much. We're going to talk about me. Let's talk about me. My son was like, why should people even listen to you? Like, you doing all these blogs and telling these people to do all this graphic design, why should they listen to you? And I was like, that's a good question. You don't know why you should listen to me. Obviously, not obviously, but I am giving good advice. But why am I able to give you this advice, right? Well, I've been doing graphic design for about a decade now, right? With that comes a lot of experience. It comes with a lot of failure. It comes with success too, but it comes with a lot of bumps and bruises and learning experiences, right? So my whole goal for doing this channel was to help people overcome these bumps and bruises or miss them altogether. It's some things that you're gonna go through that are unavoidable. A bad client is unavoidable. You can't not have a bad client, you know what I'm saying? But you can minimize how many bad clients you get, you know what I mean? Trying to find a job is gonna be a lot of no's, right? But there also may be yeses. How to design things, your mindset, what you should be looking for. These types of things are what I'm here to give you to alleviate the problem solving that I had to go through, right? You got to ask people, you got to look up on YouTube. I'm trying to put it all in one place so you can see what you can see, find out, take from what you may, and use it in your daily life or in your search or in your journey as being a graphic designer. So that's what I'm really here for. I'm here to give my knowledge. Where did I start, right? So I started young, right? I was drawing. I used to be able to draw. I still can draw, but I don't draw anymore too much. But I started drawing, right? And so that led me to older high school, teenager years, being a better artist, right? I can draw characters. My things was comic books. I used to be a comic book nerd. I haven't read a comic book in some years, but so I used to draw comic book characters. So when I got to college, I didn't know what I wanted to do. I went for computer science. That didn't take me anywhere. It was taking me to IT and like how to build computers. And I'm a creative by nature, so I didn't want to do that. That's boring. And so I got into web development. Took a web development course. My major was web development, so I learned how to code and do all that, and that was cool. But it still wasn't satisfying for me. Then from there, what happened was when you make a website, you have to have images. And my best friend is a graphic designer. That helps a lot, but I'm trying to figure out how to make these images in Photoshop. Photoshop, right? Go figure. Because everybody know Photoshop. When you first start, you know Photoshop, right? So I'm trying to figure out how to make these images in Photoshop, and he telling me the tools and all this, and that's where it pretty much started. Since then, I've been creating. Logos were my first go-to. I was trying to come up with a logo for me because I didn't have any clients, obviously, and that was what I was drawing from, my own inspiration. From there, got into flyers, and I was doing graphic design for like my friends and family, and wasn't charging nothing crazy, $20, $30, something slight, but I was getting my chops up. I was also making websites still. So, I was getting clients, word of mouth. Then I decided, I should try to get a job as a graphic designer. Now that was hard. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy at all. It took about a year for me to get a job as a graphic designer. Now, my first job as a graphic designer, I was doing print operations and slight graphic design. I mean, the graphic design was like 3% of the job. But I was a graphic designer, right? That 3%, I was killing it, you know what I mean? But I did that. From there, had a couple of other jobs, product design, worked for some small businesses, consultations, and my knowledge grew because the whole time while I had these jobs, I was steadily working. I must have made about 10 portfolios because I'm steadily trying to get better. I'm trying to outdo me, and I'm trying to outdo what I see on the internet, right? And I'm also trying to find my niche, right? Because being a graphic designer, you could go a lot of different ways trying to figure out what exactly it is that you like. Like, I like logos, but I really like to make flyers. You know what I mean? I like flyers, but I really like typography. You know, I like, you know, it can go any way. But what I wound up doing was getting pretty good at everything. So that led me to where I currently am, and I've been there for about 4 years. Can't tell y'all where I work. I just can't do that. But I can tell you it's a mortgage company. So I've been doing designs for real estate agencies, realtors, and all this social media, flyers, postcards, banners, emails, signage, billboards, vehicle wraps, pretty much anything that you can do to booklets, anything that you could do to promote anything is what I do. And with that being said, all this experience that I've gained and all this knowledge that I've gained, I wanna give it to you because it wasn't given to me. And I think that coming where I come from, a lower class, you know what I'm saying, big city, there's so many wrong ways that I could have went in my life. But if I would have had somebody who could tell me something about something that I was interested in, then I would have got to this point a lot faster in my life. You know what I'm saying? So I'm here to give back, or to give to those who just don't know. And that's my whole point. That's it. That's my point. That's why I'm here. I'm here to help, and I hope I'm helping. I don't know, you know. I know that I'm helping a couple people, but you know, I want to be able to help on a larger scale, and my voice and my tone might not be for everybody, but for the people that are from where I'm from or have similar backgrounds to mine, then hopefully you can relate to what I'm saying and how I'm saying it. And that's it for today, y'all. I'll just, you know, give you a little piece of me. Here, take that. Hey, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, comment. Let me know what background you come from. Like, have you always wanted to do graphic design? Is this something that you stumbled into? And also, am I actually helping? Just let me know something. Holla at me. I am V, Clay Vision Designs. See y'all next time. Peace.